So again, I'm back with another edition of in continuation with my series on Indian economic development for class 12. And in this, today I'm going to talk about the theory of demographic transition in context of India. So what is the theory of demographic transition? So you can see that for yourself that every country, no matter what the country is, every country on its pathway of development, its people pass through three stages. That means the population changes in three stages. The first stage is where there is very high birth rate and death rate. So the size of population is more or less, it's not so high. It keeps on going. So birth rate, death rate both are high. And in the second stage, we find that because of better health facilities, etc., the death rate starts falling and the birth rate, even if it is maintained in the same manner, if it's high enough, it goes on. And there will be what is known as in the second stage, where we can say there's population explosion. So, and in the third stage, there comes a stage where because of higher standard of living and also women go in for earning, the birth rate starts falling. So there's a fall in both birth rate as well as death rate. So it arrests the population growth. So these are the three stages, and no matter what, every country generally goes through these stages. And today we also have them divided into 5 stages. But right now, just for our understanding, let's talk about the demographic transition in India. And in India, we find that 1921 was a year of, it's known as a year of Great Divide. Prior to this, like in 1891, 1901, 1911, there was, the population in India kept on fluctuating. That is, increasing in one census and falling in another. You must go and refer to the growth of population in India table. Or you can see the chart. But from the year 1921, it came to be known as a Great Divide because the size of Indian population never ever declined after it, but it was showing a consistent rise. In 1951, which is near about our independence, what we saw was that the death rate had started climbing down. It had come down, but the birth rate was increasing, or as it was as high as it was. So क्या होता है कि population explosion, that means overpopulation, और जो भी problem है ना, whatever challenge that India faces, be it unemployment, poverty, or be it human resource development, be it infrastructure, कोई भी चीज़ है ना, the first thing they'll say is कि population should be controlled. So the basic thing is the demographic structure of the Indian economy. We are almost in the second stage of demographic transition, that is of overpopulation, and it's time that we control our population. So with that, we come to the next. Okay, thank you.